Are you looking for the best duct under cabinet range hood to keep your kitchen air clean and fresh? I evaluated 5 premium space-saving vent systems designed to eliminate heavy smoke and stubborn cooking odors easily. Product number 1. COMFEE CVU30W2 AST Range Hood. This slim, under-cabinet ventilation unit brings a remarkable balance of power and efficient spatial design to compact modern kitchens. The durable brushed stainless steel exterior provides an easy-to-clean surface that fits seamlessly into apartments or condominiums where counter space remains highly restricted. It features a dual-speed exhaust fan that quickly clears heavy fumes and moisture without introducing disruptive operational noises into your cooking environment. The convertible architecture accommodates both duct setups and recirculation methods depending on your unique layout preferences. Maintenance remains entirely straightforward because the reusable mesh filter can slide directly into a standard dishwasher safely. Bright lighting options illuminate your entire stovetop workspace to ensure great visibility while preparing complex family meals. If you prefer a dependable and low-profile exhaust solution that optimizes your environment, this value-conscious option delivers a solid performance standard. Product number 2. Broan-NuTone 413001 Non-Duct Range Hood. This classic domestic appliance focuses heavily on maximizing internal recirculation efficiency without requiring extensive structural ducting modifications. Designed with separate rocker control switches, managing the dual-speed motor and independent illumination tracking remains completely simple for daily operators. The specialized charcoal filtration matrix works diligently to snare grease particles and trap airborne cooking odors safely before releasing purified air back into the room. Its clean-coated alloy steel finish complements traditional cabinetry styles while delivering high-grade structural strength against regular thermal stress. Installation requires minimal effort, making it an exceptionally practical upgrade choice for DIY homeowners updating their stovetop setups. The protective housing isolates electrical connections to ensure a durable lifespan through thousands of active dinner preparations. For property owners seeking a time-tested non-duct solution that preserves clean walls, this straightforward package guarantees remarkable functional utility. Product number 3. COMFEE CVU30W4 AST Convertible Vent Hood. This upgraded convertible ventilation solution features an elegant thin profile engineered specifically to preserve valuable cabinet storage areas. Equipped with a 3-speed motor configuration, you can adjust the precise suction levels to match low simmering dishes or intensive frying projects seamlessly. The advanced 5-layer aluminum framework handles heavy grease filtration beautifully while maintaining unrestricted airflow parameters for optimal core performance over time. The rugged alloy steel composition resists high temperatures and everyday salt corrosion to ensure the chassis retains its pristine appearance with just a simple wipe. Humanized design steps clarify the attachment process, so you can establish a stable under-cabinet mount configuration without complications. It integrates brilliant integrated lighting to keep your entire culinary space bright and easily readable during late-night baking sessions. This versatile choice represents an elite performance option for modern households. Product number 4. CIARRA CS75918 A Ductless Range Hood. This ultra-slim kitchen ventilator introduces an exceptionally low profile that prioritizes space-saving properties inside busy apartments or tiny homes. The user-friendly front control array utilizes mechanical push buttons to enable quick adjustments between 3 distinct operational speed parameters. Dual high-efficiency mesh traps isolate airborne oils quickly to stop heavy cooking smells from traveling into adjacent living areas. It incorporates high luminosity cooking lights distributed evenly on both sides to provide uniform illumination across your active burners. Quiet mechanical operation ensures a peaceful domestic environment by keeping vibration harmonics low even at maximum velocity setups. The polished layout adds a highly sophisticated touch to any modern kitchen workspace, while maintaining rugged durability against moisture exposure. This adaptable convertible system answers the specialized needs of creators who value unobstructed views and silent ventilation control. Product number 5. AMZCHEF ULLF0176C1ST Under Cabinet Range Hood. This premium high-capacity culinary extractor delivers immense suction capability backed by sophisticated touch and motion interface systems. The robust industrial shell utilizes thick stainless steel paneling to shield the high-performance motor and prevent sticky residues from seeping outward. It incorporates energy-efficient dual lamps that project a bright visual field over your commercial cooktop area for flawless staging. The intuitive smart screen handles time settings and links with a portable remote control, so you can manage airflow while managing other chores. 2 structural baffle units handle extreme grease collection effectively and disassemble instantly for simple sanitization cycles inside your domestic dishwasher basin. The comprehensive configuration complements classic and contemporary kitchen designs perfectly, while providing substantial processing overhead for heavy frying. This advanced workstation represents a top-tier investment for enthusiasts who demand flawless air clarity. I recommend choosing the high-capacity touch models for heavy daily frying, or the ultra-slim convertible units for compact apartment convenience. All 5 options display marvelous price compatibility for your home layout upgrade.